Oh, yes. Call me. Ude, Zuzus. Hello, guys. Call me. Ogbogadzo. Share the video, guys. Hello. Share. You are coming in. Share the video. Ogboga record today. Share the video, my people. Happy beautiful weekend to you all, guys. This Vera television program. The one and only boss lady. The social media FBI, the Okataka, the Odogu one. Joyce, my love, how you do? Share the video, Ogbogadzo. No time to shut down. The Otokina do one. Yes. You know, they say every day for the thief, while one day for the owner. I know so many people go there, that is your own cup of tea. Because I don't wear, I will make why now. Since I'll be bearing for Papa Peter Ituna, not be today. Share the video, I have recorded to play. Continue, guys, share. Give me love as you are coming in. Come and hear with your ear. They say, hear with your ear. Not because they tell person. Come and watch. Share the video. Regardez la bar. See, Peter Ituna, me and you go court. See, I'm a type of person. You can offend me. I can look you for 10 years. Looking you for that 10 years doesn't mean that I don't know. I'm gathering your evidence. I don't want to strike it because I don't like missing targets. I know they like miss targets. So if I dey look you dey pass your boundary, I dey wait you for front. I make you see me. I know they fight trouble. No. Share the video. Give me love, guys. Share this video. Come and hear my lovely people. Now, so I not see him. Peter Ituna and start Asberg. Because I know so many people go say, why you can't talk like this? You know, no. Share the video. Come and hear. Come and listen to the record by yourself. Share it. Give me love. Share it out. Give me love, guys. Peter Ituna, you think say you wise, you get sense. Now my body want to do that rubbish. You lie. Share. If you don't share, I'm not going to play any record. Share this video. Give me love. Good evening, boss lady. Good. Vera, the boss lady. Thank you. If you not share it out. Share. Mona, come and hear with your ear. Before you go judge me. When I thought say, now Papa Benjamin, one carry my pikin start Asberg, una say na lie, come and hear. And they do my social media, I don't need Peter Ituna. Peter Ituna begin to worry me. Peter Ituna begin to threaten me. You go do one now. You know, when I keep you quiet that time, you thought that I'm scared of you. Come and hear recording. All the evil that I be doing, come and hear. When I keep quiet, so people say I dey fear Peter. No beside the fear. Sometimes you give somebody respect. But when you give somebody respect, he don't deserve it. Give an insult. Come and listen to voice note. Share the video. Come and hear. Share this video before I go play anything. Let's pass. Share. Share this video to your friend. Mona, come. Now you not take care of your pikin. Now you not say, Benjamin, you hide that for government. You not tell government say your pikin take Germany. Now you not see tell the pikin okay, waka your home or not come country. Now you tell Benjamin, make Benjamin come Germany. Just to deport it back to Nigeria so that if he buy for them. Now what is Peter Ituna? Be one two. Peter gets to Geresh. Peter gets to Geresh so forth. He shall kind set for Fate for Azage. Nay, do mus gets to Geresh. Do have problem with Ish. Peter Ituna do have problem with Ish. Thank God though, when I not do this man anything, this man go call his wife, make wife they call police for us for our former city in Asberg. He got they work with them, they torment me and my man. That man not sure. Peter Ituna join Asberg, begin they disturb me for my own social media. He said, "Make me not come out, make a day ass." Peter Ituna, I want to play una recording. Share this video. I'm not the see share, not the see love. Share this video. Let people come in. Because on the way be some Asian women when God go punish. When be a shower. One are not the shame. Peter Ituna going to disgrace. I will turn a bone in you guys' flesh. Peter Ituna start us back. So shall all of you come and listen to Papa Benjamin record. Come and listen to all those wicked people recording. Because if person keep quiet, don't this a person a mumu. Peter Ituna, you go cry me a river. This one is me and you fight. You do your picking, do your blood, do your blood. You go carry your head at my body. I go beat you for social media. And I swear with my mother's grave. See, I love my mother so much. I know the queen use and swear. But if I use and swear, Peter, I'm just like with you. I start Asberg. I'm in Germany with you guys. He don't tell me what they do. When I never jump the wrong person, I go join you guys near to the mall. Allah. I tell una say, I go do now waiting body they forbid. Una think say they lie. My people, Peter Ituna, what a picky, what a picky, what a picky, what a picky. You know the shamo? Because for those of una, when they say me proposing they talk, tell those people don't say, since I be doing my social media, I'll never have problem with Papa Benjamin or for waiting they do. I not do anything to her. I not the nearer. Did you know that this man do it because he want use me against Benjamin and not agree? He call for me. He call for me. When I call here waiting they use it, man they talk. Asian people, special rule me people, if not see me for road, man they don't know. Me una they run for me. If not be so. If not be so, try a soup. Share this with all the see share and pull off recording regarding about so that before you go judge me, you'll find listen to waiting I play. Share this video. Share this video. Give me no share it out, guys. Let me off this one so that will not disturb me. There's one play record. It's disturbing. Oh yeah, share, Nisho. Share this video, my people. Good evening. Take it easy, go. And yeah, you man not worry about me. I'm fine. Because for now, Peter Ituna, now me be Vera. We they quiet the loop person for 10-15 years. But when I ready to call for you, I prepared. Wait. I not the quit the strike. Peter Ituna begin to do different fretty. Share this video. Come and hear recording. Share it, guys. Me a fair play. So that una go understand where this issue they come. The recording menu. Share this video. Come and hear. Una when be say, una want they talk. Now so, not do like this. Not do like that. No. This life you hope what I do me, I go hope what I do you. Except I never get opportunity to do you back, to pay you back. When you hope what I do me, I will do you back. And they talk for my social media. I'm not a pretender. When you hope what I do me, I go open eye to you. I don't get forgiving hearts. Because when you forgive some people, they think they are destined to be forgiven. They think that you know go see something to them. When you do me something, I go do you back. Start us back now for more than 4 years. Now I want to do them back. Share the video. Give me love. See, you this what they call you. I see your comment yesterday. See, when I see when they say we bureau me, if I see your rubbish comments, see, I'm going to block you, ban you on my page. If you comment, I see your comment yesterday. Today, any stupid comments, I'm banning you. I don't go hear after they play the record. You don't go hear anything. See, you think how they get out for all me people. You know they crazy. Now let my mind come out. You know they crazy. If you don't know anything, go for a call Peter Tuna. The year when I want the year man, you don't believe. So if you comment rubbish here, I will put that I will ban you. You cannot watch me. Just off just listen. Share this video. My fans, wanna call here. Happy holiday. Thank you, my love, Joy. How you do? I don't forgive you heart. When you do me, I go do you. More una way be the issue people. Wanna call here waiting Peter Tuna do. When made me the first. I want player. Not be only yo. The things many. I just cut a little. Small. When no go to take time so that we can continue. Okay? You many well. You don't play with me. When you play with me, when you manage with me, it manage me there so forth. Is that the cup is kaput? That's this man the problem. If that the cup is kaput, pick the guest to crack a house. Pick the blast to crack a house that Peter Tuna. If that the cup is kaput or do be crack, pick the guest to crack a house. Don't bring that the problem. Not gonna name you. No try now. Share this video. Give me no share it at. I don't tell that one. Also when they talk about me. When you comment, a guy bans you. Anybody comment or be share, you cannot. I'm not doing it. I don't take any shit from social media. If you do any, I block you. See, I go through. See, you know go fit comment. Share this video. First of all, say the record in many. Let me show you guys what they plan. One. See the recording. See on this. Why many like that? Because I cut and I know if you play all of the many. So I just cut a small. May you tell no. Share this video. Give me love, guys. Share it out. See the recording. You see it? See on. Look at it. Now be this. May you not say I know they play with anybody. First of all, number one. If you can hear and tell me. I don't see how you take pursue your pikin. I don't have the evidence. I see everything you do to your pikin. You know if you can't tell me anything. You don't care how you help your pikin as a father. This one so. Peter Tuna call me. When I go say with the talk. He call me. Begin the mona yell. Share this video. Just call listing. Peter Tuna now call me so mona listen. My voice be that. Share this video, put love and like. One after the other, will they take them? Number one, let me tell you, please not qualified to do social media. You lie. Number one, let me tell you. Okay. You are not qualified to do social media. Why? is number one. He call me now, they tell me, say, I don't call no more. Say me not qualify to do social media. Begin they tell me, say, show na the yera. Una the yera. Did you hear it? He said anything I do, he said me not get right. I'm not qualified, what I do. This is number one recording. Each people gather here. I go beat Peter Tuna to the core. I don't talk with proof and evidence. I know they talk with time, don't prove and evidence. Number two recording. Mona, listen. Are you guys hearing it? If you know the year right here. If you the year right, yes. May I change the phone now. So that I go hear everything. When make me the verse. Not be today. Since that's so they do what they come. Emmanuel. This one you can't find one. Cut a small. Okay? Share the video number 2. I don't say many. See, not be all be this, so I just cut a small so that we not go too waste time. You cut us some second minutes. Not be the plenty full one, no. May you know. Not be all be this. Number 2. You hear? He said me call here, call the dupe for here. That means I'm a duper. Unayara, he said me na duper. The time when me even they connect money for social media, when I get ask back, I declare. Now when I even did that, I do social media rich. When I even get more money, I know they do again. Una de yara, me I can't go back. Number 2, Unayara. Now call me so. Now he call me so. They tell me all those rubbish. Please share this video. Give me now. When you comment rubbish here, I'm going to block you. Share my the year they come out for Peter Matt. You do your picking. We bear for years. Peter no yell. Unayara will say me na duper. I tell you duper. What I do? Is he say I'm not qualified to do my social media? How? I come. Now you be Dutch now. He said lie. Now wait till they do me be that. If you carry fall, you do your picking, no fear. Because they God want punish you. You no fear. You carry fall. Begin they talk no sense. I go beat you till we enter court. This will not be all for your mind. You say I cut a small. Number 3. Number 3, before you go judge me, buy me the beat Peter Tuna. Come here. Waiting my papa no pot too. Peter the do one. because of a pikin, because nothing use me against Benjamin. Number 3.
Go to court for one go court. Go to court now, come play all your record that you wanted collect my children from me. I know they fear you. Not be you born me. I thought you are clever because of your work. You are not what concern you concern my social media. Peter Tuna, what concern you concern my Facebook. Facebook is where to have fun. What concern you every time? I they do Facebook. Every time I they do Facebook, you see that you cannot stop me. Nobody can stop me.
That is number 3. Number 3, right? Share this video. Now, so this man they do. You hear that when I talk every day, every time. This man go carry phone. He go worry pikin. He go worry me. Because you want to take my children. You hear when I tell her. Now, Peter, before take my children. So before you talk for this matter, come on, but yo, even his status by Dutchland, they fear. Because what you are home, if you enter, I don't be Monica, they say, if you hear what you are home, they don't see anything. No. They said the baby. Number 4. Share this video. Number 4. When I tell her, say, if you want to teach my children, Peter was the first person to say, he want connect to pikin from my hand, give you your yipo. If pikin can tell her, say, no, never, it not go happen. As because he say, pikin didn't stand on the wall, then he just start as beg. Now he tell that woman, say me not go school, make that woman use barrel, tell that letter, come give me, make her sign her. Now, Peter, if now we got the person and lie, maybe Peter go bring you 2 people come. If you don't know 1, not 2, for everything when they happen, make us swear. I'll see bring my uncle give them. Share the video. Never see anything. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5.
Privacy. Which right do you have to be interfering in my privacy? Who put you for house? Who you born for? Have you ever visited me and my children?
You hear? He said, who put you for us? Who you born for? That means Peter get right and audacity to everything that's what they do. Go your carry phone, he go begin to disturb me. I not be your pikin. You do your pikin, do. You don't let your pikin see road. As it comes true, he enter my own because I no get joiner to make your blood. Now wait till cause more.
Have I ever seen you? Have you ever visited me and my children? Then who give you the right to be interfering in my privacy? Don't let me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which right do you have to be interfering in my privacy? Who put you for house? Who you born for? Have you ever visited me and my children? Not my pikin. Have I ever seen you? Have you ever visited me and my children? Then who give you the right to be interfering in my privacy?
Okay, let me.
My daughter senior you. Yes. He senior you. Yes. My own daughter. He senior you. Where is your daughter?
Show now here Peter Tuna, they say, I know near his daughter. Oh. He said, my own daughter senior you. That's the daughter I was talking about yesterday. More than reflect say, I know they lie. To begin the Nigeria nowhere. But Peter Tuna, they Germany, begin the propaganda, they go party. They lie, they lie for my head, they lie for my head. He not get that the one say his daughter, they are the sick. But my hero for this record, say his daughter not be my mate. Mona ask Peter Tuna, where is the daughter? Mona ask Peter Tuna, where is the daughter?
The daughter now. Where is the daughter?
Mona here.
The same age, I'm not your age. My daughter senior you. Yes. Yes. He senior you. Yes. My own daughter. He senior you. Where is your daughter now? Where is the daughter?
Okay.
He's at home now. He's at home. What's wrong? He's at home. Yes. You think I don't train them? I train all of them. Don't Benjamin tell you I didn't train him. Don't bring Benjamin. I didn't train him. Don't bring Benjamin to this matter. Now you bring your daughter issue. I did not bring your daughter issue here. The question I want to ask. I told you now. My daughter.
Una de yera.
The same age. I'm not your age. My daughters. Me and your son do you for this journey where we did. You should be thanking your God, okay? Thanking my God. Why? Yeah, thank your God. For what? Okay?
You know why Peter Tuna tell me say I should be thanking my God. This record is 2022. I get many when they do since then. You know why I bring this one come? When he say you should be thanking your God. That was when they be one carry my pikin 2021. This record is 2022. I go cut across small. If no one say I did my phone. Share this video. Una hear when they say you should be thanking your God. That you should be thanking your God. Now when you wanted just start bed, take my pikin 2021. Early 2022. Now he called me when I record them. Many there no be only this one. More than me ask Peter Tuna. Waiting make I say you should be thanking your God. Waiting happen, waiting we talk. You must see say they say when they talk you should be thanking your God. What have I done? Waiting I do. Because when I told her say it's just starters back, be one collect my picky. When I say they lie.
The same age, I'm not your age. My daughter. Me and your son do you for this journey where we did. You should be thanking your God, okay? Thanking my God. Why? Yeah, thank your God. For what? Okay? Thank your God. That's all I have to tell you. Thank my God. Thank your God. For what? I steal or I thief or I commit a crime. What did I do? Thank your God. Vera, I'm not Benjamin. My daughter senior you. Yes. The people when they use the account of the collect money, they go see all of them. You go there. You go have a problem. Now you bring all. I know who is it. Now you bring all of them come outside. This is Germany. You never know. This is Germany.
You hear what he talk? He said, make they use another person account. Say they collect money from Facebook. When you ask this man, I know they collect money from Facebook. The time when I tell they collect, I go ask Asbeg, I declare them. They don't even know that me go use my man. Just start Asbeg. Based on this man an enemy of progress. If they smell the picky, if they smell me, if they find everything, if they find me. See waiting father-in-law they talk. He said me first. He said me not qualified to do social media. Second, he said me they use other person account. Then they collect money. Say me not qualified. I don't need to do it. I ask him why. Waiting up why they interfere in my own affair. Because each of people wanna enter us. Because before I come outside for starters beg and Papa Benjamin, I don't got the phone and me the talk. This one I just small. This one I just small. I never bring to a book guy. Maybe na court I'll go play that one. When I say I go boss your papa, you roll Chris. You decide the joke. If I know me, you are not the miss target. When I see waiting your father-in-law, they tell me I you not get correct. Now so they do me. If they torment the picky, if they torment me. Because I don't let her kill the picky, he go call for me. Me I play him again.
bring all of them come outside. This is Germany. You never know. This is Germany. Okay. And they use other people's account till they collect money. Okay, you bring the account. Now that will be like when you go the lie. You know, but you know in court. Okay, tell them to send you the court or Zuke. Tell them to tell you bring the proof. You don't talk with Matt in Deutschland. They put contour too. The money when they take the collect at the contour, not the contour they enter. Tell them they bring the paper when they enter. Now don't lie, you they lie. I know they fear. Who knows say he right for waiting to make go court, no go disgrace ourselves for come I bring my proof and evidence. I talk with proof and evidence. I know.
Una de yara. Una de yara. Okay.
I will never come. Now money I won't go beg you. Now money me won't go beg you. You think I will be begging you? Don't talk too much. The end shall tell. You know what?
Una hear many threatening when Papa Benjamin don't talk. This one not be the full record, yo. I just got it so I say I may not to tell. You see, I just got it here. You understand? I just got it here. He plenty. Una hear wetin he dey tell me. For those of now when they say, now sir, when they talk, may God not punish you. This one not be. I just got this one. Mo una hear am. Wetin they use the matter they talk. At the end, he say no get out for start Ansberg. Say no join them. We want collect our pikin. Why the old man they fool himself? When you ask me my love, what I want to talk? Share you the year and now share this video. Now wetin they do? Informat. Nah, only one informat. Only one a pathetic liar. Now so lie they go. When I hear.
I will never come. Enough money I won't go beg you. Now money. People when they use their account they collect money. They go see all of them. You go see her. You go enter problem. Now you bring all. I know who they talk to. Now you bring all of them come outside. This is Germany. You never know. This is Germany. Okay. And they use other people's account till they collect money. Okay, you bring the account. Now that will be like when you go the lie. You know, but you know in court. Okay, tell them to send you the court or Zuke. Tell them to tell you bring the proof. You don't talk with Matt in Deutschland. They put contour too. The money when they take they collect at the contour, not the contour they enter. Tell them they bring the paper when they enter. Now those lie you they lie. I know they fear. Who knows say he right for waiting to make go court, no go disgrace ourselves for come I bring my proof and evidence. I talk with proof and evidence. I know money me won't go beg you. You think I will be begging you? Don't talk too much. The end shall tell. You know what you tell me?
He said the end shall tell. Now threatening, they threaten me so. Asian people, what wanna hear? Before you come and comment section, call the grace. Are you hearing it? Can you imagine? Bessie Papa. Una na me they thought or so una they hear my voice. Before now there's another play. This is just the tip of her eye. So I want you to play this small one. Now you know, say for me to see this one, I get plenty where you not expect. Including starters back home. I want you to tell una say, una go collect, una body go tell una leave us for waste. God forbid that be okay. Share you the una the year. Only when say I they dupe. Only when say I not get out to do social media. Only when say I they use person account they collect money. Are you hearing it? Okay. If I use my talk answer, will you believe? Peter, it will not be your voice be this. Share this video, give me love. Please, wanna share this video. Share and wanna pull love for me when I wanna pull love. Okay, oh. You want to play with me? You want to spill it with me? When you spill it with me, you have gross a problem. Before you near me for rubbish, make sure you are clean. If you are not clean, oh God, nobody will tell you. Yeah, oh.
Because you not go to school. I only beg that if I have to talk now.
Unayera, when I told her yesterday, said, now he go test that dance best, say, me no go school. Make they use barrow. They write letter, can't give me. So that I go sign her. Unayera for a month. When me tell her, say, now Peter Tuna test that dance best. Now he said they say, we want to collect our children. Now he go test that dance best, make a tear board. Send me letter, make a sign. You hear that for a month? Wait till we talk now when they say, you know, say you no go school. Now wait till you go tell them. Because if they talk with maths now, they'll say, no lie, they lie. Wait till we talk Christian. When they curse me. When they tell me what to do and what not to do. When I call the beg and say, stop interfering in my own affair. I know they use you. I know they call you. I know they beg you for money. But let us be. Una see when they beg them. Una hear when I play just now. Okay.
I will never come. Enough money I won't come beg you. Now money me won't come beg you. You think I will be begging you?
What do we do when they say the head shall tear? Because this man say for Jamie, he want because he not like Benjamin, not like me. He not fit use me against Benjamin. May use me take my Benjamin. Now he make you want collect the picky to put us in pain. People when know people when their mama and their papa girl you both don't understand. Now he make it they threaten me and say the head shall tear. Papa when he say after he threw with the picky, he they tell me and say the head shall tear for my body. So when I say me the lie. Now he test that husband made them be calling my children. He come and go apply for kindergarten. When we went to kindergarten, they said Ituna name is here. They have been collected this morning. This man is denied. So kindergarten not gonna no put name. Now woman talk cannot be man. Frau, he says Name is here. Ituna. They don't they collect this money long time. Peter Ituna deny. Who be the person? Now he or his wife and not be mama at the collector. Una hear when they say the end shall tell. When I me ask Peter Ituna, what did I do now? What did me do? I call some for social media. When I say I go ask God Peter, what did he do? A carry phone. They call me. This one I only one inside record I forgot I come out to about 30 minutes. I just got it some because I want to get time. Just to play. Me una for yet waiting they use in man they talk. Me will not be your picky. You they threaten me like this. Say the end shall tell. Me they use another person account they collect money. Me not qualified to do social media. Now so me not go school. Now so una don't hear many things we don't talk this. I want to see that person when want beg me. Let's say quiet. Let's say quiet. Yes. You hear he repeat that many times. When I say quiet and not talk, now so they do. When I say how many times he repeat the end shall tell. Because he want tea picking. Peter Tuna. And even though the word will beg me. And if I see anybody call for this house, go tear your chest. If you use me, I go ask you out your family joiner. Nothing they happen. Everybody should back off. This one is for me and Peter. Let Peter Tuna bring it up. Until we go to court, then he go stop.
No, Peter Tuna, I don't care to know what you are saying. I don't have any problem with you, Peter Tuna. Like that. I don't have any problem with you. Leave me. I will never come. Enough money I will come. Be good. Which help you help? You help. You don't help yourself. Now money me won't come beg you. which position you put her? When he can't jam me, which help you help? I not be evidence. I be witness. I not see how you take pursue your pipi. I be evidence. I see everything you do to your pipi. You know if you can't tell me anything, you don't get help when you help your pipi as a father. You not take time. Don't let me talk about you, okay? Don't let me talk about you. You are not my father. I'm not scared.
Another one again. Better, don't let me talk about you. Now you call me, oh. Now you they talk all those one. Now social media go forbid you. And the gather made the fool yourself, sis. It plenty, oh. I just want to let all those useless people, all those men, when they think they'll be better, people when God go punish them, when they support you for evil. I just want to clear their doubts. So that they'll not say this fight now between me and you. So make them back where, who not back where, I swear. And this matter take concern you, you talk. Who not come on body, make Peter do it worst.
Scared of you. I have never committed crime in Deutschland. Take it to anywhere. I'm not scared. But what I want to tell you, stop interfering in my family. Please. Stop. Which is your family? Stop interfering in my private affair. Please. Me they beg you now. I beg. Which is your private affair? Private affair. Stop. I don't interfere in your private affair, Peter Ituna. So please prognose it. Number one. Please. Number one, let me tell you. Please. I'm not qualified to do social media. You lie. Number one, let me tell you. Okay. I'm not qualified to do social media. Why? Tell me the reason. Okay. Why? Why?
Oh, with this one, they say this is family matter now. You want me, I swear for you, they Chris. If you comment again, I'll block you. Not try. You were family matter. I be Peter Tuna family. If you repeat again, I'll let us on your picking. See, I don't want anybody. I don't call anybody. If you want to comment, if you don't want to comment, not be by force. I know they collect money for social media. See, you take Chris. You know what this man done to since 2027, since 2017. May I see your comment again? Better block yourself. Oh. Better block yourself. Now the Chris. Wait till you not go feel beer. See me person beer. Now you want to do your picky. You see come enter me. Peter, only way to go save me on your matter. Now Geresh. As you hide your picky just start us beg. The tomatoes, it don't leak. If you say no lie, Peter sue me to God say, you not collect our kinder get. May I bring proof? You know where they Chris. I go curse you, because I go do it to go provoke you. When we start us back. You think I'm joking? Let's bet. When I know what Peter I turn out to, when I overlook, I know the quick verse. Before me go carry share sit down, I don't ready. I don't ready because if I not play this record now, people will say, you want your concern, you want your humiliator. Thank God since I appear on this social media. I'll never make sure his name is something. You know, concern me. I have that mind of looking somebody, person they crazy. I get that to look person they mad. But I they gather you for heart. If your cup full, I will not come and wake you for when you sleep. Peter Tuna, better test status back and any button at the same message. Make them back off. This is just the tip of her eye. Because now you be the papa of Benjamin. Now you go tell them make they collect pikin from our hands. Now you first us say you want carry our pikin. Because your pikin tell you say no. See, I talk of inside this recording. When I tell you say that you be want carry our pikin, you deny. Did you deny? No.
Why? You talk to me anyhow. Why? Are you the owner of social media? You see your life. You see your life. Enemy of progress, father. We will come out for you. You go to call Africa.
This man come out. He got the call Africa German last lady to know how Facebook they pay. So that if he go lie. He go to the call Africa German first lady. When be my enemy. Just to gather evidence or weakness. Now in math is still a talker. what time they call you? Or side. See, you dey Chris. If you comment any comment here, I'll block you. Dey mad. If person tell you say you tell something, and you not take what is the next thing for you to do, you dey Chris. I don't understand any kid that go to tear your mama's chest. Me, they talk about public now. May go court, go sue me, no collect that guy. You dey mad. Before I sit down, they talk. You think I don't get evidence? If you comment here again, I'll block you. Ask me again now. When you lie on my head, you be jammer. You get past for me, go sue me. Say, I lie for your head. You not dey crazy. You not dey mad. Go to Google. Go there. Anybody can apply for kindergarten. Is even written in Google. Go. Kindergarten for familiar castle. Say, if they see Peter Ituna name, who be Peter Ituna? You dey mad. Or you tell him to go to court. Then I go bring my proof when they talk. You or go they tear your chest. After that one, they say since our 2,500 is aware. You know they say this matter don't leak. So people don't withdraw body. People don't they leak this matter. If you know say that I what may me show, may go court. And now understand this kindergarten issue. Or go they tear your picking chest. So my word, I don't understand what they talk. If I don't see play this record, then some of them say they lie. Or good they kiss you. Comment here again, make I bounce you. As I talk and I let it go to court and prove me wrong. Are you mad? When somebody lie on your head in Western world, what do you have to do? You dey Chris. And you go bizwe. Or you born when I don't know go call the lie. They talk say sian. It is not if people are applying, but people have been collecting this money. Or good they tear your mama, your papa, your pikin chest. Another person against the conformer. The year when they start to collect them. So you just say we not do our investigation before I call the talk. Commit here again. If you be dumpty, you be fool. I not be fool. Everything I'm saying here, I have the proof. What you have to do, let him sue me. Please, I just got to beg you. Please, let me tell you, if you commit rubbish here, I'll pound your head. Kindergarten, I don't understand the kindergarten. Then call her, not be your brother. Tell us, now today I start to talk. Then let him go to court. Share the lie. God punish you now. Now I won't God deceive. Now I see your comment again for my comment. You think oh, boy they lie? Stop insulting fans. Who share your fans? Come for come up my platform. Who share your fans? So me, if I don't play this record now, I got to use my talker. Now those shoes, let's submission people go there they say they lie. At the time they say I don't understand. A stepfather, a grandmother, all of them can collect kindergarten. As far people will go my bag go collect get post the kunde. People will go my back go collect birth certificates. You dey Chris. Tell him to go to court. If I'm lying, don't write it here.
Children, when you don't know, my children don't go ever near you. Me not the my children near you. They go. We don't need your help. We don't need your help, Peter Ituna. Go and carry Shirley daughter. We begging you. Don't talk too much. The end shall tell. You know what your time is? Because you don't go to school. I only beg them if I have to talk now.
You the yada. You don't finish, oh. So you, when they hear they say, and now that started, I don't say many of una na mumu. Pray una not get. Now I make una see get document. Social worker go apply for kindergarten. If go the collector, just that I go tell you say that they pay you kindergarten job center money. Because una dumb. Anybody can collect kindergarten. Go. They'll tell you. Stepmother can collect it. When they'll say, Whether they call them more, where person when they like when the bed they do that time, when Coco carry pikin, like mother care, something like that, that they feel collect them. Whether they call them more, foster mother, in Germany, they collect in that gate. Foster mother, they collect in that gate. Step mother, they collect in that gate. Grandmama fi collect in that gate. Opa fi collect in that gate. Relative around fi collect in that gate. Extended other people fi collect them. You know where? So me when they talk, I don't know what they talk. Since he send me the lie, make me show for court. That one I call yes now. And you fi give me the proof. You know where? Where I go give you proof? Tell him to go to court. All of una not dead Germany when Peter Tuna abandon pikin. Na what they call. I know they get shame for her. Who for back get me move. Na be evil one dishi. If for now una said now witch. When Peter, una not the see, una not say pikin dead Germany. Una not the see pikin the see. Una not call Benjamin the answer say Benjamin not the see pikin. Me bias kill una pikin. Useless set of made when they jeje when women they feed. If una let me talk, una come about this for this matter. Now me and Papa Benjamin, okay? Since he not said a lie, let it go. All of una did this journey. Una not for more than 5-6 years. Una not they see Benjamin and the Papa. All of you they comfortable. Now what they call. Me I see anybody again. Me a good see all on shares. Useless set of people. Enemy of progress people. None of una call Benjamin. Benjamin, I waiting in the happen. Not the single of Papa. Una they happy. I could disgrace her. I won't see anybody with one body. I'll carry your pikin code. Waiting concern you for the matter you talk. Share me. I bought for the family. It do reach my body. Now make me the show. Now this is not all of them. Now make me the plan. Make una hear. Now make me the plan. Make una hear. Now I see rubbish. To say I get time. If you not say not collect the money, Benjamin Peter Tuna, go to court. If you know you not collect the money, you not apply. Now lie with the lie. What do you have to do with person lie for your head? This is Western world. This is Western world. Please go. You do your pikin, do your pikin, do your pikin, do your pikin. You do your pikin, now you enter my body. Peter Tuna, you collect our kingdom gates. Only way to go stop him. If I lie, you want to see the proof. Go to court. So forth. Go report me. I tell you how they come. When person lie for person head, you go find ways. A person lie for my head though. When cannot to say I do am. You people should tell him to go to court. This is how I get him. I not say that pay on the money there they comment. Tell him to go to court if I lie. Tell Peter Tuna to go to court. Now he and his wife now they do one. Now they got that do one. Everything day. Peter Tuna, only what you go do. Go to court. Sue me. Tell me say I lie. Then the small evidence when I get. I'll bring a court. I don't know how una take do am. I don't know how starters beg. They John una take do am. But na familiar cancer, he make sure there. Now they talk am. Familiar cancer, he make sure there. Now woman will call me that day. The second person we talk am again, a man, one woman. So if you know I'm lying, please go to court. There's this small evidence when I get, I go bring her. Maybe starters beg. Then make they not do when they hold your pikin documents. Make you for the collector. Make peace. Can I make you be one collect the pikin? Many things they when they hide for you. They hide that for you. Like say you not be papa. So Peter Tuna, no worry you. You go collect water. You go collect water. Useless human being. Honorable believe. Now he collect and make go court. Now he collect and make it go court. I don't get that if now come I'll block you. When you comment rubbish on my platform, now block I go block you starter. I don't get how the collect social media the feed. When you comment rubbish here, I block you. You not go see my video again. I not invite you. So for you to the cry for here, tell Peter Tuna to go to court. Tell when me see me kuna dey Peter Tuna, I say you collect my 3 children kinder get. I don't know how suspect help you do one. When we call you 4 days ago, this man the tell mama say, now Thomas Vemes collect the money. Peter Tuna, when my man call you 3 days ago, when I hear what Peter talk, Peter tell mama say, he no collect, he no know, but he go in think say, now the Peter Thomas Vemes, when they work for us that beyond there, when he help and hide Benjamin, say now he go collect am. Ah, Papa Benjamin tell no say, now Thomas Vemes collect the money. I get the record. Peter Tuna, I get the record. When you take us say, no be you, but now Thomas Vemes, when they work for starters beg, now he go collect the money. When you got the advice, mama say, make you go take to can lawyer, say he go sue collect the money. Peter Tuna, you not collect money, you don't know about that. How you got there no say that Thomas Vemes? Now he apply for the money. You know so now when they talk for you. I beg call Peter. I get the record, I'll plan tomorrow. When he talk say, no be he, but who is suspect? Now, Thomas Vemes, when they work for us, that below there, he said that he collect. Say, my mama go carry to car lawyer, say he go sue collect the money. How Peter Tuna got there no? Because when me talk and I say, Starters beg, and Peter Tuna, they work together, so this is the lie. My man comforted him, if I don't comfort him before he deny. My man still comforted him again 4 days ago. I get the record. He said, me, my man, go carry to car lawyer, private lawyer. May they sue Thomas Vemes. Say that Thomas Vemes go collect her. So you went there, they cry. How Peter Tuna, God they no say, now Thomas Vemes, when they work for that beyond there, when you help and hide Benjamin, now they collect the money. So write it tomorrow, I'll go pay the record come. So I got there no. Say na Thomas Vemes collector. And una they say, enough it. See, only way to go tell me, when I tell Peter make you sue me go court. You know what I'm talking about. The way you see now saying, is that when you tell person, what the person don't know, go say, I don't know, I'm not take. He was not shocked. He not shocked. Kakaka. He not shocked. Peter Tuna not shocked. Only way to go talk, he say, he not take it, but what you go do is who is suspect. Now Thomas Vemes, he does your record you. He said that Thomas Vemes now go collect the money. He said that Thomas Vemes now go collect the money. Ah, Peter Tuna tell no say now Thomas Vemes collect the money. You know why they wrong. Their secret don't leak. The secret where they don't want me we know. It don't leak. Person, it don't leak. So before you go here, they talk. I know it's how they talk. So Peter Tuna, go to court. Tell Peter Tuna, share this video, give it up. Tell Peter Tuna to go to court. Peter Tuna, cause he swear, whether I not talking 4 days ago, say, you don't know, shall you not collect, but may we go sue Thomas Vemes. Say na Thomas Famous, he know. Say na he go apply, collect the money. Titi shock me. I record that. When he talk, I'll go find the record tomorrow. He said na Thomas Famous go collect am. He said he no collect money. You no collect money. How you got to know say na another person collect am? How you got to know say na another person collect the money? Before you go there, hear the comments. If they run up and down now, say you get passports. Say you get German passport. Why call the wrong? They find people wey wan come. The cup don't full. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. So that if I dey talk, may you know the reason why they talk. No be today, Peter Tuna start in rubbish, in info. No be today. This one when I play, so show na here. I'll go find that one when he talk and say, now Thomas Famous, now go collect our children benefits. No be today, no be last 2 years. Oh, when they collect and they come. Who is Thomas? Thomas is the person where Papa Benjamin used against Benjamin for Osleda Beholder Start Ansberg. When he begged, say, may not let the government, may not let my man go second interview, so that government for Germany not go know say Pikin dey with her for Germany. So now the man, now Papa Benjamin they use for Osleda Beholder Ansberg. So now he help her cover everything. Now he help her cover document issue. Now he help her cover Bogbue. Now he Papa Benjamin they tell him Pikin take first before they go. Say he not take. Now my man tell her say, but person say na it too na easy for them. He don't fit talk. He don't fit talk. He do finish. He say mo go, make my man go carry to car lawyer, make he go sue Thomas Famous. Say na Thomas Famous, he no say he go take her. The thing say shock me. Now say ja. Ask me then I don't know anything. You ask me something, I say I don't know. And me waiting me not know. Me of course going to toss in another person. And me don't know about the thing. I'll go find the record tomorrow when I play. When you use the matter, say na Thomas Famous. Una no guru when start as beg. Joy Papa Benjamin too. Waiting your child birth certificate go do for Peter Tuna hands. Isha, did you know that he used Asberg? Or he then went to this woman when they say, "You want to collect my pikin so?" Katia Abbott. Me no say Peter Tuna don't say Katia Abbott. Make it go standard out and not give anybody you. Now if I dey tell now, listen, something is happening in this Deutschland when many of you don't know. Now maybe they tell us, so now waiting my eyes see now they talk so. Me no say Peter Tuna don't say Katia Abbott go started out go collect my birth certificate, my children birth certificates. As me they ask, then started and send letter call give me say one woman go collect my children birth certificates. Now making they send me a letter. I go call this woman. He said no, he no collect. I got to go started out. They go call her. He say he no guarantee one use at all. If you want your user, and you be your apply put before. If you want use at help, message. Me and you get with you with it. Started out we're not shocked. Let me ask that and when they make you give her birth certificate when me not dead. Deutschland, they are doing evil. Germany, who nobody do for one man reach there. Maybe not true there. He go there give Peter. I don't know. Because when they go they ask for the birth certificate, you know see Brico, I never want to talk many things. If you know waiting, Guru start. Check out they talk about Satansberg now. It don't they go 1 week. You know see they reply. Guru when they do for Peter, it's not too much. When they because he marry Oyibo, he marry German woman. Nothing they know they do. If you marry Jama woman, they go join this chimney corrupt. Now me talk. I get the reason why I say Deutschland is corrupt. So then when you marry a German woman, they go don't say this is the one to support her. Now so they take collect this kindergarten. Now me they tell you. Because he marry Oyibo, they do it for her. They go hide my man. Like say you don't get anybody. So Peter Jonah, if I dey lie, me and you, I go do wetin body they forbid. You know so that's when they talk. No, don't say it don't leak. The secret don't leak. Not that they talk, this side they joke. The secret don't leak. Secret don't leak. Start as start to join Peter Tuna. Begin they do evil. If I not play this record just now. I can't they use man they talk say, hey, see what Peter Tuna tell me, oh. He say I the defraud people. He say he go show me, oh. He said this, so will you believe? Will you ain't there yet, will you believe? This is just a tip of her eye. The one where they talk of Thomas Zome, I'll go find and come outside. When you say that Thomas Zome, they collect the money. You say you not fit collect money. I go Thomas Zome, come fit collect the money. So, Oromi Jemio, Peter Tuna, cause he deny this one. Cause he deny this one. If not lie, I dey talk. Day before yesterday, now talk. 4 days ago, now talk. 4 days ago, now talk. 4 days ago, now talk. I know they hear the children for you, they crazy. Probably not they hear the children for you, God they punish you. If you write that comment, I'll block you. I've had to show my children for social media. I fear they kill your mama, but I fear they kill your picky. Have you ever seen my children on social media before? Talking so you they find their picture in Ocean. Or good they kill your picky. Another thing, they when your mama want here, I'll be good they kill your mama for your eye. If you comment, I'll block you. Is there any way I show my children on social media? Me will go kill me, I fear kill you. Me I survive my own. I think I social worker that day when you want to pick. Maybe you'll be the next. Because many of them will be Nigerian now mumu. Because you not trust or you bought too much, some of them are foolish. Now they carry on a picky like dog and fowl. Then they look good that they collect picky for your hands. And let the young children. Have I ever shown my children on social media? Because before you ask question, if not them like other people, other presenter, any small they part their children for so now you go ask that kind of question. Because they don't know how to ask question. Have you ever seen my children picture of me now? Have you ever seen my children on camera running up and down like fly? Only a baby. Comment that kind of rubbish again. Me I lay curse on your mama, your bastard. Bastard when you born we not get papa. My children get papa. Oh. Me not for now. Now let me curse some people. Oh. Don't stay with me. Now me that they call on a pikin. They go use some more money to bribe now. And then the pikin don't still collect. My children eat that. Me are the cost starters. You get that in starter bag and social worker there. They don't fit do anything. But to say that, why you call the cry? But to say that, go. Because I felt call you for here. Oniara. So it pays you. It pays you. But to say that on your heads. Now see your comments. Now they crazy. And my kids are doing good and fine. If you want to know, go and ask people that know me. Oniara. Now you go for VT because you want shop social money. You want shop government money. Because they say they want to help you. I not get who they help me for Hansberg. Because I know the social work I don't get. Now many feel cash this lady like that there when they want to die for the letter today. When they want to die for the letter today, when they cry. Come here, now my platform want comment rubbish. I know they show my children for social media. Right from the one he show you. So before you comment any rubbish thing here, my want to comment on the justice Peter Tuna, on the other society man, on the youth with Statusberg. I go destroy una. Peter Tuna gets to Geresh. If you say I look I lie, Get to Geresh. If you say I lie, get to Geresh. Go to court. Choose people. No, what call the phone? Oh, no, what call? The born of papa woman a time and number. Taba be papa liar. Tiwa, one a time and number. Go tell me rubbish. Thank you, my love. If I not be woman, where you wise. So share what can be one you spot to take collect my enemy, my children enemy. Now Peter Ituna sent them. After I done the letter there with me, Peter Ituna be one spot to take collect the letter, go give them. Me never come carry my children enemy. I not give her the letter. Peter can't swear. Say you don't know one, not two for everything that they talk so. You say you not collecting that gate. How come? You tell me say that Thomas Weber is collector. You don't know. What did they happen for Hasberg? How you got to know that Thomas Weber is put a cat collector? Oh, Jesus. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. You do Benjamin, do. Your daughter, they know where for us. Peter Tuna, where is your daughter of Bonnie Society, man? Nobody go feel bad for you. Only way to go settle me, Peter Tuna, is Geresh. Only way to go settle me, Peter Tuna, now court. Because you too do. You too do. I not be your family. I not be your pikin. You go the sasako me. They insult me. They threaten me. For what? Go to court. I go beat you to infinity. Uma woman no go where? Now body go tell you. You have passport, I have documents. When the passport, me any passports. I want to say that passport want to work for you. I want to know say that passport done and useless. When me get with the passport, now me and you we go see. Who body go tell? Now you don't know they call everybody. They not bought their papa women they tap my number. This number is on social media. It's on. Because of una, I don't go charge her. I charge her before this one I offer before see her. Battery is food. Who knows say the boy papa and mama will tap my number? May tap my number, may tell me rubbish about Peter. Tap my number, may tell me rubbish about Peter. Abola wa ibu wa atsu. Because I pick that the buga, Baba, yeah, party one at the go. Isha meeting, yeah, meeting. When Benjamin need the father most, what did Isha meeting if you do? Now Saturday, now Saturday tomorrow, I cook be meeting, Isha meeting. What do I do? Yete. All of my God they happy. If they born a papa man time my number. I get where if I see anybody like call mama, call me. I'll record to compare. If I know what this man don't do, since when mama take us, since when we take notes now, you don't go beg for her, no beg. Now social media will go do her. If he tell about me, let's go to Geresh. Peter Tuna gets to Geresh to fort. All your pikin, three children, Mama Benjamin born, Papa Benjamin one part of the finish. He one part of the finish. When I go here, I go when I play yours now. My son that senior you. My wait now, I say, where is the daughter now? Where is the daughter? Where is the daughter? That goes on here. When I come say, and they laugh for your head. Show na here say, na he use the matter say, my daughter senior you. Did you hear? Yes or no? If you hear that, I hear. When I ask, I say, where is the daughter? Where is the daughter? All his children now, body society, yeah, body be. That society will not take no self. That wish when you eat, but actually, I best be. And they call your name fool. And they call your name fool. I know the Ben Matt they call her. Me, I take Jamie with you. He don't tell one that they do. He don't tell where so Dutch Lord people because they join they do evil. Now me go expose you. I know the wrong go anyway. I want to see what you want to. Me, I want to see what you want to. I did hear Katela pa. I did Dutch lands. I know they go anywhere. I did. I want to see what it start as beg. And Papa Benjamin want to. You get where going, I'll put everything on here. I go keep any organization where they keep picking. Maybe now God know why when this woman come for my trap. Because if now some yes of Nigeria husband, they're not going to still talk. Moeme, the officer collect the pikin from her hands. Good 4 years, now we take fight the battle. So they call the bribe to kill us. To kill us, our enemy hidden. It no work. If they book appointment for eating play, for ratters, we know they go. If now go 4 put. Now make it a shock when I say, my pikin not there with me. Listen. Are you hearing children? Since that every mother, father, then they collect pikin for hand, when I call for that. Would not be when I even get the proof. Not the hear children voice. God punish you. Listen. You the hear, be not the hear. You know the hear children voice. I call social worker retarded. Papa Benjamin sit down for Germany. He want succeed to collect our children enemy to sell them. Then go bogo. Go carry her. You get them in Hansberg. Social worker in Hansberg. Thomas Wemes, Paleska, all of them. Things they read, they happen. No. 4 years since 2021. They got the fight to assassinate me or to assassinate. Oh, BT. Who is that? Mama. Don't do that now. Share this video, give me love. Share this video, put love in. Someday here they cry. Wait till I do, I'm a hero. If I don't so congratulate me, I congratulate myself. For me to cast social worker retarded. You are not my social worker, I don't get social worker for Hansberg. Peter and I tell and say I don't go school. When I hear when I apply just now. He say, you may apply him again. He say, you know, say you don't go school. Yeah. Now wait till they talk. He say me no go school. He go there because when I told none of you understand. Now Peter Tuna, that Katiabo not that city before. They don't bring that woman come. Cause they do evil. So now Peter Tuna tell the woman say, me no go school. Me write her with barrel. In Western world, they use barrel take the write something for them. Use computer write my address. Use computer write her address. Use computer write the bad name of the letter. They coffee 2 letters for them. Coffee 2 letters for them with barrel, with pen. Because the papa tell her, say me no go school, I go sign the paper when I see. When I catch this woman, they tell them, Papa Benjamin be one die. Not comfortable again. Yes, so you are really. I too try, I'm a hero. Yeah, the thought is there to start Hansberg Germany. If na me do wrong, or me and they work together, and not all work together, they could have been the proof now. They don't see proof. People when God they beg, start Hansberg that was begging me to return letter. I have the record too. If I talk anything here, I said I have the record. No, I have it. So that may you know that it's not a threat. Another person in Iratas called me, say, hello, Vera. After 3 days, I refused to return the letter. They want die for Australia beyond the Statusberg. All of them, they want die. He no call it a be night woman, go meet the woman. Hello, Vera. Good tag. How are you? Because they speak English. Please, Katiabo told me he sent the letter to you. Please, can you return it, please? Even if you did not sign it, please, just return it, please. Government worker for Australia beyond they call the beg. I don't say they pay many Nigerians. If they pay many people who don't take for Germany, say, no, but they get this opportunity. You don't think get the opportunity because you don't get good minds. God look people's hearts to do something. God look everybody on this social media. Now he be say, now me coffee cash them. Many of you don't get good mind. When you are doing evil, evil always fall on you. Because I don't get good mind. Now make you not say let money of you. Some people get this thing. Do you think it's easy to catch social worker? Lock run against them in my time. You think I'm joking? All of them start begging. Please. As they beg, I'm not going to give them. As they beg, I'm not going to give them the letter. They now start with another strategy of looking for a way to poison mama at work. Looking for a way to give my enemy injection if I go to their appointments. I know they go. If they call me, I know they go. If I want to go stay that building, the day they not spend after they go, I go carry my phone. If they see phone like all of them go the room. But if they book me for me, I know they go. If they call us for any, they call the book it tell me. They go book 1 o'clock for mama. They go book 2 o'clock for me. And shoot they go school. We know they go. They do. No, they go. When Gozi Sharon send letter, he said, "You must appoint this appointment. I must come." Now letter no say hello, good tag. If you tell me that I should call to appointment, no problem. But I'm going to call 2 people to online video. 1 on TikTok. Please, I will call. Please, I want to call in. Okay, want to call in. My number is there now. Check. Let me put in my number here if you want to call in. Share this video. Give me love. Let me put my number here if you want to call in. I'm not gonna know which one could be. Get on the thing right before. I mean, not there again. Is that now they accept number again? Okay, let me call it. Okay, I've seen it. Let me put it. Let me put my number here. My number is there if you want to call in. I'll pin it. Now, so we not see rich, oh. I cash their redundant. He can't go tell them say I not go school. Me have for side paper. It's shocking. Okay, my people. Peter Tuna not there among people wey want collect pikin. Answer wetin he do put. Nothing yet. Nothing. He don't do anything. Always so he don't do anything. So now maybe they tell now. After 2021 they fail. They send letter. They use fake. They use police announcement to send fake letter. They use police announcement to send fake letter. About 8 letters they with me. You just how they joke. You just a small battle. Those people not collect pikin. They don't feel succeed. Then they do like this. What if they feel succeed collect your pikin? How will you feel? Now they know the film with them. That time you get some go cause say no way. That time social worker go they jam. They don't get release the pikin. They don't get release her. Can you imagine? And say now you want to tell me what to do on my platform. Why may I block you? Comment rubbish for here again. This is my platform. I talk what happened here. If you comment rubbish for here, I will block you. This is how I get her. This is how they find you. Comment rubbish for here, give me I see you. I thought how they find money. They won't tell me what to say on my platform. Don't tell me who to block and who not to block. Don't tell me that. Please. Don't be on somebody's platform telling that person what to do. I will not try with me. See. I not be see. If like person like you, you are not here. If I dey stupid, I don't think I social worker and down there's one TPK. So this is my platform. You can't tell me what to do or what I can do here. If you comment rubbish, I will block you. It's my platform. I beg you money. Since I did the job, it doesn't say I beg people money. Not try with me. If you don't want to comment, just the wash or pull up my life finish. If you comment rubbish, if you try and make me comment. Me see whether I'll block you or not. No be threat. This is my platform. Whether they talk, if you say a lie, get out, go. I not force you to watch me. I'm not the first one you must watch. Go another platform. Go watch. Good evening, mommy. You are welcome. Don't tell me that. Good evening, mommy. Happy weekend, ma. Crow. How are you doing, man? We are fine. How family doing? We are doing fine. No eyes of family, mommy. I hope you guys are fine. I know say some of you when be men and women. I know say what they do Peter Tuna now the pain. Cry me a river. Yes. This is what you do succeed. Now all those useless submission men and women, when they be a shower with their life useless. No, forgot they laugh. So I go mock Peter Tuna to the core. Yes. As I have my evidence, I'm ever ready. If starters back up, I'm ever ready. Are you crazy? You know what he will bear for this man? When this man not get sympathy, you know what he will bear for her? When he not respect himself, this is not get Deutschland. I want to know how he can get Deutschland now. Let's show. Useless stepfather. Useless papa and me. When if he stand, how the picking for Deutschland? If the boy you will go cut the whether you go. Go, you go, you don't go. I don't leave you. Even if you say go to the court, I go beat you till the court date go reach. You never get problem. They just me don't saga you before. No, this is the first time. Even as you tell wicked, your own wife called the talk how you tell wicked and heartless. Say you can never change. Ask her what you do picking for Nigeria, his daughter. Ask her what you do picking for Nigeria, his daughter. Your first son die. You say not be Ogboni, you not be witch. Peter Tuna, your first son die. Your second daughter they craze. Me and your talk and finish. No two. That's when boo. No defia one no go boo. No susewu. No susewu na. Cause you be useless father. Now let go word and wish papa will be Ogboni man. You be so say all the 3 children when Mama Benjamin born you buy them, you lie. Why did you hate me? Because you cannot use me against Benjamin. So that I can't give you Benjamin information. I'm not the 2 evil. Papa go sit down. They ask me, say whether I begin the smoking bowl, whether they sell it bowl. Cause he swear that one. Cause he swear that one I put. Cause he swear that if you not do one. They ask me whether I begin the smoking, whether they say. Eh, you want so you want you know. Eh. Now as I say, since when you and your people, when you don't see your peculiar, you don't say here they smell, you match the smell. He said, no, they want your ass. Useless man. I go beat you to the car. Start us back. Kinda betrug. Yedi tag is start us back. Kinda betrug. Name kinda for the muta yedi tag. Sophie yedi tag. Name it. Sophie name kinda yedi tag. Faru name kinda yedi tag. Fast passette. You talk now. No, we don't talk. We don't know what Peter Tuna joy ass back too. We don't need to talk. Work by. You don't say you don't declare your picking. You don't say you tell Dutchland okay. You not get where even your wife talker. Say you not tell her say you get picking. Why you can't tell her make it call Jenny? Why you not tell her the truth? Say my picking see what it dead ground though. Based on all he hope. He said, make Benjamin not pour for graph for it, make you call Jeremy like that. Because he want to deport the enemy back. Crow, bro, daylight. You call the talk nonsense. You. No. Peter Tuna, you collect. Go call heaven and earth. In fact, now Donald Trump you call American president or Vladimir Putin. When you they do, they not see you. So people not ask you. Then they see your picking, say your picking, they journey. Then they see TikTok, then they see picture. None of the confidence say, but wait till they happen to you and your son. No, Una they happy. Because now I tell the buga, I go yeah for now. All of them go yeah. I never beat them. What deaf young wicked other people when life not better. As this man too rich, una not call her to order. Una not call her to order. He see do because they enter my body. The sasa come and say, you don't have right to do social media. You don't have right to do social media. You are a duper. You are a duper. You are a duper. I not play your son, not yara. You yara be no yara. If I call use my talk on this one now. If I use my talk on this one now, you go say I dey lie. We cannot talk. You go say I dey lie. Please back the door. Evil old man. I say, I go share you. Be that one follow the journey. Start us back. I did Deutschland. I want to see anything when me of now want to. Una expose don't start. Nothing to stop her. Start us back. Oh, start that back well. All of now when they do evil. Una expose don't start. Very soon I'll start to post many things and record. Never see anything. For where? Now must struggle in life for. For where? Papa Benja say he decrease. Ogu de tear Peter's chest. For where? Where? For where? I don't understand. Where forgive her? If you not give her, no go good. Where forgive her? I pray. For where evil what? Now me stand, now me pupoti. I tell her say you. I tell her say you lie. No ask me question or comment section, please. I know they disclose anybody. Where is he? You have mother. I know they disclose her. Only what I say here, listen to what I say here. Don't put word into my mouth. Don't put word into my mouth. Only what I say here, if you don't listen, Vek. You get my mama different. Don't ask me past like that. You understand? I put body, that make he hate me. Because I don't let her deport the picky. But you may your picky. People will say, Vera, he go there let they go. Now some Vera tell you to choose my Benjamin. I'm not get sense. Not be me put body. He pay you. Now me put body. I tell starters when I say no. They beg me, man, not give us okay. Now I'll give us Zogerish. For a papa to they do this one to my face, I will give his Zogerish, the father of the children. I give us Zogerish. Now I tell us that una no fit deport my man. I war because it's their family. Una, I pity me enough for una. When I about join them, deport your man. I did the coco carry your pikin. Hello. Hello. Hello, how go I? They talk.